Well friends, here is the next problem. So first of all, let us see the given direction. The given direction is read the following questions carefully and find the answers. Let me go through the question. The question is, Rupa is taller than Leela and shorter than Shweta. Tara is shorter than Leela but taller than Bindu. Who comes in middle if they are asked to stand in a line according to their height? Okay. Now see, Rupa is taller than Leela. Let me read that. Rupa is taller than Leela. Okay. And shorter than Shweta. That means Rupa is shorter than Shweta. Rupa is shorter than Shweta is nothing but Shweta is taller than Rupa. Am I right? Shweta is taller than Rupa. Okay. Now, Tara is shorter than Leela. Nothing but Leela is taller than Tara. Let me write that. Leela is taller than Tara. Okay. But taller than Bindu. That means Tara is taller than Bindu. Tara is taller than Bindu. Okay. Now let us rearrange this. R is greater than L where S is greater than R. So first I will write S is greater than R. Next R is greater than L whereas L is greater than T. L is greater than T where again T is greater than B. T is greater than B. That means Shweta is taller than Rupa. Rupa is taller than Leela. Leela is taller than Tara whereas Tara is taller than Bindu. Okay. Now what is the question there? The question is, who comes in middle if they are asked to stand in a line according to their height? Now we see Leela is at the middle. Therefore, now let us check the given options. The first option is itself is Leela. So therefore, option 1 is the right option. Now friends, now what we need to do here is, let us take the relationship either only in greater than or only in lesser than. Because this helps in solving the problem. See, we are all the relations we have written in terms of greater than. Either you can write in the greater than or you can write in lesser than form. Okay. We'll see some more number of problems.